You already know that Facebook is giving so much attention to Facebook groups, and they're planning so many more features coming to this area. So you want to be setting up the foundation right now. And I'm going to be sharing with you 3 features today why you should be actually building using Facebook groups. If you're not having business page and you're not focusing on that part, and you're actually building your business and your brand using personal profile, these are the reasons why you want to actually move that audience to the Facebook group and use this area of Facebook. So number 1 are units. Facebook groups can be used as a membership site, free or paid. If it's paid, right now you have to be paying a third-party platform to get access to the Facebook group. That looks exactly the same as would be the free one. But in the future, Facebook is talking about actually having the paid platform directly on Facebook. So you can have paid membership sites, Facebook groups right in there. So what I would do is set the foundation of the free membership group at this moment and create what they call units. It's the way you actually group your resources and trainings and materials, anything that you want to give your audience. You can use it not only to teach and provide valuable content, but also promote your business. You can promote your product, and anyone who is interested in learning more and go more in depth, you can slide in the promotions of whatever that you're offering, and at the same time it helps you to grow your list, because if anything happens and you lose the group, you want to have those people on your list. You want to have their contacts and be in touch with them outside Facebook. So I would use really a lot of the resources that you are using, maybe more in-depth training, things that people can download or get access to in return for that contact, and really grow your email list using those units. So membership section units, where you can group topics around your niche, problems that you can solve. What I'm creating right now for you, and I'm starting with Facebook group trainings, is creating the first unit about Facebook groups, but I'm going to continue with Facebook strategy, Instagram and YouTube, all sections, how to be growing your following and your business using those specific social media platforms, as well as different strategies, sales strategies, and affiliated marketing hacks and tips, anything that will help you to hit your online breakthrough, because that's why we are here. If you are on YouTube, that's something as a playlist, little bit, but it has better features and more into it. But just to understand how that works, it's like when you really group some specific videos into a playlist and people go through that. But you can add files and have it really as a membership site. People can download things, save pictures and documents, have audios. So it's more fun and you can play with it much more. And you can actually see who saw each step and what people are interested more. The second thing, the second feature on Facebook groups are the insights. Those insights, I'm sure, are getting close to what's on Facebook page, and they will be getting there. They're getting you more and more information on not only what people are interested in, but when they are looking at your content. So you can plan your Facebook lives in that group, your trainings, where people are actually, when people are actually interested to watch the content live, when are they digesting everything, when are they online, what do they engage with the most? So that's very important for the business as well, because when you actually do want to promote something, that's the time that you can pick. You can use this to plan out your strategies much more effectively. And when you know when people are online, I have a tip for you with the third feature, which are polls. You have those polls on all the other types, meaning personal profile and business pages, but use them in the group as well, because first it helps to get to know the audience much better. It helps you to prepare for them exactly what they want to see, because they can either tell you or you can ask them directly what is it you want to see, or they can add something of their own and people actually vote on what they would like to see next. But my tip is use the current email list as well. You can email your list that this is happening on your Facebook group. You have just posted something new, you have created new unit, new trainings. So go check it out and tell me what you think. What is the next thing that I can help you with? Ask your current email list. Let me know in the comments of that video. So people actually have to request the access to the group to see the post, so they can tell you what you can help them with, if that is something that you can connect with that person on, because not everyone will be interested in your trainings. It depends on what kind of list that is and the group. Does it match? You should be really segmenting your list that you have, the contacts, so you can target your message, because that way you will know that that audience will be interested in the group and you can send them out. At the same time, when you create new content, you can send in the new content is out there. If they don't check the Facebook notification and the group, they can have that notification in their email list and go check what you have created. So posts will help you to engage that community much better, because when you create it exactly what they want to see at the time when they're online, using the insights, the statistics, you will see big growth in your engagement, and it will not be as hard to re-engage the current community. So eventually you can actually start promoting in that group and use it to grow your business. So units, insights, and posts, 3 features that I wouldn't miss out in your group to build that engaged community and you grow your business. If there is a feature you like or you would need help with, put it down in the comments, and I'm looking forward to talking to you in the next video.